make money just like this with affiliate marketing and this huge free traffic source. Now, to be honest with you, this traffic source is free, but it does require some work. And also, it is really important for you to watch this entire video very carefully, because through the entire video, I'm going to give you tips and advices that will help you to get even more free traffic. Okay, let me first show you potential of this website. When you come here on SimilarWeb, here you can see that this website is getting 1.8 billion monthly visits. Now, this is a good free traffic source. And the website I'm talking about is actually LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great source of free traffic if you use it correctly. So first thing you need to do, you need to create your free account. And then this is really important. You need to fill your profile. You need to add nice profile image. Then you need to add a timeline image. Now, I didn't do that for some reason. I obviously forgot that, but you need to add a nice timeline image. Here you need to add a tagline, and tagline should be catchy. Okay, here you can see social media manager, happy to help your business. You need to add something like that. Okay, and then here you need to add about. You need to say something about yourself. Now try to say something really good about yourself. Now this is also really important. You need to add a good article. You need to say something about yourself, but it should be nicely compact article. Okay, that is really important. And then here you need to also add some experience. Add experience, all the experience that you have, add everything. Here you need to add an education. Also, education is important. And here you can see skills. Now that is actually most important part. You need to add your skills. And here you can see endorsements. Try to find as much as you can people that will actually endorse your skills. That is really, really important. The more people endorse your skills, the better. Okay, that is really important because many people actually look at that. They actually look at your skills, and if nobody actually endorsed your skills, then they'll say, okay, this guy maybe is not that good. Okay, but if you have 50, 100, 1,000 people who endorsed your skills, then they will say, okay, this guy is really good. Okay, that is why you need to find as many people as you can who will endorse your skills. That is really, really important. Okay, but you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually make money with affiliate marketing and LinkedIn? So what you need to do, you actually need to go here on home page, and then here you can upload media, which means if you can create a video, that is a good thing. But I'm guessing that most of you don't feel comfortable in front of camera. So what you can do is you can click here on write an article, and you can write an article, and you need to open your article with an eye-catchy image, because that is the first thing that people see. They see that image. So what you can do is you can simply go, for example, on Unsplash, and here you can find royalty-free photos and images. And because we talk about affiliate marketing, I will actually search for affiliate marketing. Click here on orientation, and I'm going to search for landscape images. And here you need to find a good image. And for example, this is actually a good image because here you can see some numbers. People will see, okay, this is this guy's earnings, okay? Even though this is not your photo, these are not your earnings, but it doesn't matter. This is an eye-catchy photo in this case for affiliate marketing. Just click here, download for free, and you will download this image. Go back here on LinkedIn, click here on upload from your computer, find that image. This is the image, and upload that image. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to add a title. Now, title is the second thing that people see, and it is also really, really important. Now, this is really, really important. Title should be controversial and also should be a question. Something, for example, because we are talking about affiliate marketing, something like, can you still make money with affiliate marketing in 2023? Or, for example, these guys say he made $100,000 with affiliate marketing. Is that possible? Something like that. It should be controversial, but also a question at the same time. And then what you need to do, you actually need to write an article. Now, this is really important. In first 15 to 20 articles, you should not promote anything. Just provide as much value as you can. Do not promote anything. Do not promote your mailing list. Do not promote your own product. Do not promote your website. Do not promote your affiliate product. Do not promote anything. In first 15 to 20 articles, just provide as much value as you can. But if you're not good at writing articles, what you can do is you can simply go here on ChatGPT and you can tell it to write you an article. Something like this, for example. Okay? And then just press enter. And now ChatGPT will write an article with this title here. Like I said, your title should be a question and also should be controversial. This is also really important. You do not want to just copy and paste this article here. You need to rewrite this article to provide as much value as you can. Like I said, in first 15 to 20 articles, it is really important to provide value, okay? So what you can do is you can simply copy this title, because this is the title that you gave, and you can paste that title here. And now you need to provide an article. So for the purpose of this video, I will just copy and paste. But like I said, you should rewrite this article in order to provide as much value as you can, okay? Control C, go back here, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And like I said, do not promote anything. All you have to do now is just click here on next, okay? And then just click here on publish and publish this article. But how do you actually get people to see your article, to read your article? So what you can do is you can simply You can simply go here in search and then search for affiliate marketing in this case. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on groups, because we are looking for groups. And here you can see there is lots of groups. 451,000 members this group here, 34,000, 6,000, 18, 17,000 members. So what you need to do, you need to join to all of these groups. Just click here on join and join all of these groups. So for example, I will just open this first group. And here you can see that people are already sharing articles from their own Pinterest profile. So for example, just check out this article here, and here you can see this is actually an article that somebody published here on LinkedIn. Here you can see this guy, Evan Weber, he actually published this article on his LinkedIn profile, and he's promoting that article in this LinkedIn group. And it is exactly the same thing that you need to do. In first 15 and 20 articles, you need to provide value, and you need to start sharing those articles in these groups here. As you can see, just like this guy did here, you need to share that in these groups. And like I said, you need to go back here and you need to join to all of these groups here, and you need to start sharing those articles in these groups. And if you provide value, people will actually click on it to read that article, and they will see, okay, this guy is not promoting anything, he's just providing value, and they will comment on your article, they will like your article, and they will start following your articles. So every time, next time you publish an article on your LinkedIn profile, those people who are following you, they will see that article and they will read that article, and eventually you will start getting more and more followers, and more people will read your articles, and then you need to start promoting your affiliate products. And after that, like I said, people will start reading your articles because they will see that, and they will start following you, and they will start commenting, they will start sharing, they will start liking, and you will start getting more and more traffic, and also you will get their trust. They will trust you. So when you recommend some product, they will actually buy that because they now trust you. Like I said, this method requires some work and some time, but it does work. You can make money with affiliate marketing and LinkedIn as a free traffic source.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.